Hi everyone, I'm using these soybean sheets. They're super thin and there's a lot of layers. It's almost like phyllo though. You know how there's so many layers? That's how it is with this. They're very thin. So I'm going to separate some after I cut them and I'm going to fry each side and they get very crispy. And I'm going to use that as a base for a little seafood sashimi salad I'll make with the salmon and red surf clams. So you want to stand back and only put a few layers at a time. This way no layers will be raw. And look how crispy they get. I already chopped up my seafood. Now I'm going to put some cucumbers, some green onions, some toasted sesame seeds, and a little mixture of sriracha and Kewpie mayo. Now I'm going to top these crunchy soybean sheets with some seaweed. And then I'll top it with some of that delicious seafood salad that we made. And you can also use a variety of seafoods. You can use shrimp, imitation crab. Any of your favorite seafoods will go great with this. Probably even tuna. And here's a little unagi sauce. I love unagi sauce, it's so delicious. I just add a little more sesame seeds and a little piece of pickled ginger. I ran out of jalapenos, but a thinly sliced jalapeno would also taste great on top. Thanks for watching everyone, and please subscribe. We have many more cooking videos on our channel on the Cafe Secrets playlist.